Hello everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing cheesy chip nachos. We'll start by cutting our onion on cone number 3. We want the large onion pieces to top our nachos with. Now it's time to grate our cheese. We're using cone number 2 because we want the pieces a bit larger. So on a preheated electric skillet, we're going to place our frozen chips right on top, covering the base. We preheated for 5 minutes on 230. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook at Neolife Leads and to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Neolife Cooking Club. We'll add half of our cheese on top, as well as half of our onion. Then we can just go ahead and add all of our chopped tomatoes. And then we'll add the rest of the onion and the rest of the cheese. We're going to add some jalapeños for a bit of a kick. And then we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. We're going to cook that for 15 minutes on 230, and now it's time to make our guac. We'll start by cutting red onion on cone 2 and then some garlic on cone 1. We'll also squeeze some lime. We quartered 1 lime. For a full list of the ingredients and the recipe, please check the description below. We're going to cut 2 avocados using cone number 1. And then it's just time to mix together until your desired consistency. And look at that, we're done. It looks so delicious. Just top with your guacamole and you're ready to eat.